Hi everyone, this is Gillian, just popping on to show you my next pieces for the hashtag 12 Days of Digits challenge by Cara and Dearjuliejulie. I got a bit behind and I got a bit confused. I wondered why people were sharing day 11 today when I thought it was day 10, so I've obviously missed a day. So what I thought I would do is just show you day 10 and 11 on the same video. For day 10, it's this half of this spread. You've seen that half which I did with the day 4 freebie sheet that Cara did. I wanted to have a side pocket in this journal, so I used different pieces, different elements from the two kits, the 2 pages, to make a belly band, not a belly band, a side pocket. I use this lovely bit of I don't know if you can see, it's almost satiny. No, it doesn't really pick it up on the camera. It's a piece of a dress. I've got into cutting dresses up for lace, and this is a band that was on the dress that I bought, that was a lacy dress. I bought it for the lace, but I thought that was nice. Lovely dark green. It actually isn't as dark as it looks on this film, but it goes lovely with the other, the mainly green and red elements in these kits. And then with the other sheet, which was Cara's, I believe, was 4 postcards, and I didn't really want to just put them all individually into the journal, so what I've done is made a little booklet out of them. So I've interspersed them with writing paper, journaling paper, some cream, white, and then there's another postcard, and that's how it goes on through the little journaling book. There's another one, another couple of pages, and then the last one on the back there. And then I glued them all together, and I used another one of the elements, which I'm pretty sure was from Cara's day 8 freebies page. Yes, I'm sure it was, which is really sweet, really lovely little image. And I've used that to kind of bind the pages together. So that's my day 10. And then day 11, I've put a marker in. I particularly liked the pockets on Cara's sheets. There are 2 red pockets, which I particularly liked and wanted to use them as they are, because I think they're just beautiful. So this one, you can see I made it up, glued it onto the page. I've just glued some of this little daisy trim, daisy cotton lace trim along the bottom, and then I've got a piece of Dearjulie's ephemera in there. And then I've done the same with the other pocket, which is just beautiful. I mean, that colour, the reds go beautifully together. And I just used a little bit of an offcut from the previous day, from one of the pieces of ephemera. I put this lovely lace along the bottom here, just glued that on top, and then this piece of ephemera, I just need to cut round it really and fold it and put it into that pocket as well. So very nearly completed day 11. That's the last days of these that I'm going to use for this particular journal, because day 12 there's quite a lot of bluey colours. There's some pinks, not really the colours that will match well into this journal. So what I intend to do now is I will do day 12 tomorrow, and I will finish the journal with more of the bits and pieces that have been left from the pages over the days, and some of Cara's freebies as well. And tomorrow's pages, I've got a lovely bluey based winter sort of set of digitals that I'm intending to make myself a winter journal with, so I'm going to combine tomorrow's into that. Haven't started it yet, so that'll be kind of the start of that one. So that's day 10 and 11 together, with apologies that I kind of got my days mixed up. Hope you're all keeping well, and stay safe, and I'll see you again on day 12. Take care. Bye.